It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 9th of November. I'm James Spann. Drought conditions will intensify in coming days. We see no rain through Wednesday of next week, but at the end of next week, global models are showing rain for a change. Let's go in there and talk it over. This is the water vapor satellite view this afternoon, troughing east of the state. Got some high clouds, the subtropical jet stream pushing those across the state, but underneath those clouds, the air very dry. No rain today. This is day 52 consecutive days with no measurable rain for Birmingham. Based on data at the airport, that ties the record of 52 days set back in 1924. We break the record tomorrow. Temperatures around 70 in most spots, although 60s to the north. Cullman 64, Fort Payne at 66. And around the nation, temperatures are seasonal. Maybe a little bit above average up across parts of the high plains where they're in the 60s today. We note frost advisories for parts of Tennessee and Kentucky, into Missouri and around Tulsa, Oklahoma. Other than that, it's very quiet. That's the convective outlook for today and tonight. No severe weather, hardly any thunder across the nation. And this is our big problem. This is the rain through Wednesday evening of next week for the next 7 days. Nothing around here. But again, there is great hope. The pattern flips and the door is open for rain to return at the end of next week and beyond. Tropical weather, things are quiet. We still might have a late season system slipping in at some point. We've noticed some mischief showing up in the global models over the Caribbean in about 10 days, but for now, things are quiet. All right, model fans, the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. There's an upper low southeast of Phoenix, troughing off the Atlantic coast, a dry northerly flow aloft, and tomorrow should be a sunny and pleasant day with low 70s. Pretty much the same thing on Friday. Now, Friday morning is going to be chilly. The guidance coming in with upper 30s now. The GFS at 39, the NAM at 38, but the high should be in the low 70s. Saturday, highs drop into the 60s. Sky bright and sunny, beautiful fall day, and the same thing Sunday. Numbers are coming up a little bit for Sunday morning. Now we're looking at mostly 40s. We had mid-30s earlier this week. Now we've still got 30s, but mainly for northeast Alabama. But still, Sunday morning will be cool, and the high Sunday should be in the middle 60s with a sunny sky. Monday, the high around 70. Same thing Tuesday, we're still dry. And a week from today, Wednesday, the 16th, little ridge here, but a pretty potent trough in the western states. That thing's going to be progressive. But Wednesday will be dry, pleasant, low 70s. This is the end of next week. This is Friday night, the night of November 18th. Very deep, dynamic trough coming in from the west. A strong surface low, 1,000 millibars near Madison, Wisconsin. A big snowstorm, if this is right, for Minnesota and parts of Iowa. In fact, almost blizzard conditions there. The old Witch of November. In fact, I think the anniversary of the Edmund Fitzgerald incident in back in the 70s is tomorrow, November 10th. But look at that. Hey, a trailing front with rain and maybe some thunderstorms at the end of next week. And again, this is late Friday and Friday night of next week. And of course, timing could change, but consistency in this is very good. This is the European Friday evening. Pretty much the same idea. The surface low is farther south. It's over southeastern Iowa with a band of showers and storms coming in here. And no, this won't break a drought, but goodness, we just need to start somehow. And that's a start. In fact, here's a look at the upper pattern coming off the European for Saturday the 19th. Very deep trough coming down across the southern states, and that'll push that rain in here late Friday and Friday night. And again, the longer range here looks awfully good off the European, the ensemble. You got 50 members or so, 51 members. And if you take the ensemble mean of all the members, over 6 inches of rain from the end of next week to Christmas Day. And you can see those nice red colors in that top chart. That's some pretty good rain amounts. So we'll keep our fingers crossed that this thing verifies. Numbers off the GFS ensemble highs, 60s and low 70s, lows across the board, mostly in the 40s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.